The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 10:45 p.m. At 10:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Brookfield to Country Club Hills, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Hammond, Evanston, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Oak Park, Calumet City, West Town, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Austin, South Shore, Roseland, West Ridge, Lincoln Park, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, Lakeview, Irving Park, Midway Airport, and East Chicago. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.